How's that new soda?
Okay, so what do we know about this kid?
I picked him up at Burger World.
Hey, Beavis. How's that new soda?
But you cannot take my bumble. I have no bumble. I am the great Cornwall. Where I come from, there is no TV. My people, we have but one bumble.
Okay, so what do we know about this? Federales deal with it.
Okay, Cornholio, time to go back.
And it's through this process of natural selection that the dumbest, slowest, and weakest members of every species are selected against and gradually die out. Now, human evolution is no different, okay? After all, we are animals ourselves. You know, it was just a few thousand years ago that our ancestors were using primitive grunts to communicate. It's all about successful mating, okay? Those individuals who are able to pass along their genetic material to future generations are the winners in the game of evolution. Those who never get the chance to mate are the losers.
Losers. Whoa. I got it, Beavis. We should, like, evolve.
Why?
Because we need to evolve into dudes who score.
Yeah, cool. I'm gonna evolve a bigger wiener.
Yeah.
Evolution is accomplished over millions of years through the repeated passing along of genetic material.
What?
In fact, it took our ancestors literally millions of years to begin walking upright and foraging for food.
What a bunch of dumbasses.
Yeah, really.